Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Elementor on your WordPress website. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your browser and go to your WordPress dashboard. Now after you are in your dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is just simply click on plugins. Now in plugins, just simply search for Elementor. Just simply type Elementor and hit enter. Then you will be able to see the Elementor website builder. Just simply click on it. So as you can see, Elementor website builder is free. So in order for you to actually activate your plugin, what you have to do is just simply upgrade your free plan to a business plan on your WordPress account. So for upgrading your account, what you have to do is just simply click on update and activate. Then just simply click on update and activate plugin. Then it will automatically redirect you to the billing page of a business plan. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply enter all of your card details, and you can also change the month or annual basis over here, as you can see. Then just simply enter all the details over here and just simply click on pay. So let me fill up all the details. So after filling up all the card details and choosing your plan over here, all you have to do is just simply scroll down and click on pay. And just simply give it a few seconds. Now after that, as you can see, the purchase has been confirmed. Now as you can see over here, the plugin is automatically started installing itself. So just simply wait for the plugin to completely install itself. Now as you can see, our Elementor plugin has been installed. So just simply click on manage plugin to see that. And as you can see over here, our plugin has been downloaded. Now all you have to do is simply hit install and activate. Then click on activate plugin. And that's it. Now your Elementor has been installed and you can access Elementor from the plugins panel over here. Or if you want to use the Elementor editor, just simply go to any page. Then just simply click on the three dots and click on edit. Then all you have to do is simply click on edit with Elementor. Then it will prompt you to leave this WordPress editor. Then click on leave and it will take you to the Elementor editor. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.